Hello guys, welcome back to our channel WJ. So today we are unboxing the Tonor TC30, the condenser mic. Also we unboxed the Tonor 777, you can watch right here. And we're gonna see what we can expect from this Tonor TC30. Before that, if you're new to this channel, please subscribe. So let's get started. So let's get started. So here's the box, the TC30, the condenser mic. I can look around here. First, when we open the box, we can see the instruction manual, and this helps you to connect the mic, like clear out any questions you have. And here is the mic itself, the Tonor TC30. And it looks way different than the Tonor 777. And there is the pop filter. This is the main difference, and you can see the Tonor branding and it's made with good quality. Now we can put it in. As you can see, it is touching the mic, so you can move the mic a little back. And there's the cable. It is a USB cable. On the other end, it's a USB Type-C, which can be connected in the back of the mic. And that's all for the unboxing part. Now we can connect and try it out. And here comes the new added feature, the RGB lighting. So I use Adobe Premiere, so I just go to the voiceover section and just select the mic, and there it is. And here is a surprise. This whole video was recorded in this new TC30 mic. As you heard it, it sounds so much better than the Tonor 777. And there is no issue like the Tonor 777 where you have to manually raise the volume in the editing software. And here you can see the side comparison of the Tonor 777 and the TC30, and you can definitely tell the pop filter for the Tonor 777 is very bad compared to the TC30, and it's not in a stable situation, whereas the Tonor TC30, the pop filter stays right there. That's a new great upgrade. The Tonor TC30 is an excellent microphone for gaming, streaming, podcasting, YouTube, voiceover, Twitch, and other purposes. It offers an impressive 48 kHz of sample rate, cardioid pattern, and a shock mount for added stability. This microphone also has a great ability to suppress background sound, making sure that your recording are crystal clear. With a weight of just 400 grams, this microphone is also lightweighting and easy to use. Additionally, the plug and play feature makes it a breeze to set up. I've been using the Tonor TC30 for both studio multi-track recording and vocal condenser mic recording for like 2 days, and I've been impressed with the sound quality and as well as durability. The shock mount is great for keeping the microphone stable during recording. I have found that the cardioid pattern is perfect for capturing my voice, while still being able to pick up some of the ambient sound in the room. Overall, I will give the Tonor TC30 a rating of 4.5 out of 5 stars, and it's also the rating in the Amazon review too. It's a great microphone for your recording and streaming, and I would definitely recommend it over the Tonor 777. And the most surprising part is that it's only $35. That's it for the video. If you like to purchase this product, I'll drop the link down below. Other than that, see you soon.